This is the first page that users met with when loading the program. So as you can see, we have a sign up and login option. So if the user is new, they simply need to make a username and password. So for example, I'll do username coach, as it'll be the coach who'll be using the program. I'll do password coach, and then simply just press sign up in order to save the username and password to the database of CoachDB. And then if you want to log into the program, you simply enter the correct username and password. But for testing purposes, I'm going to enter a wrong username. So I'll put user, which hasn't been created yet. I also put password pass, which doesn't exist as a correct password. I press login, and I can see it redirects me again to this because the password user hasn't worked. If it's console, it's incorrect password, try again. So if we go back to output here, I will enter the correct username, which is username. Oh, sorry, which is username coach, and then also password coach, and hopefully this will work if you press login. And there we are. We're then through to the next page.